So they eat people, we eat people, everybody's eating people. Baby, you got a stew going. Thanks, I hate it. That's not good. I'm not even sure if getting to the other one is the right step. It's like part of a chain of events. I'd like to get to this chair. Tough. I'm not sure if you can run through it. I know I can do like a running start here. The shoes are thick. So you don't need to jump. So that takes part of the equation out. I didn't know if you needed A to jump or not. Does that make sense? You can just grab, and as soon as you grab, you pull up. That's a big ask right there. Is that a little suitcase right there? We're gonna count on it, huh? We're dead. We gotta push this? Because that seems like too big of a jump for us. Okay, we go to that. Oh! Oh, he's definitely not blind. Bye-bye. So you can light that right there. Oh, well. That's some long arm right there. That's the long arm of the law. Oh, I'm so sorry. The Melody Raid might not be for you. It's going to be a sequel to this. I like his little hat. He's just like us. No worries, no pressure either, because I'll put it up on YouTube. It'll take me about 24 hours max. I got your back. My goal is to have every game that we play Boy. So I think I just need to climb onto the left one and do my same strategy. Because I fall off of it, opening, I get grabbed. I just wish it didn't take so long. I'm so sorry. It's like failing a 30-second sequence on the 29-second sequence sentence second. The last second. Come on in. Press the button. We're gonna do the same thing, but just on this side. This guy's wingspan is crazy. Think of him as a rock climber, right? Well, maybe it's not so good. Because I think you need, you know, like I did it a little bit. I tried it. So, boom. Now the door doesn't slam and screw us. We're throwing a monkey? Boy, this one's a tough push. Is it on top of something? I guess basically before I do a laborious task, I want to understand the puzzle enough. I'll keep pulling. Nope, push only. Because this looks like a pretty dark room. Maybe we're tipping the balance in the room? Oh, nice. Figured it out. Very cool. Clap for me. Clap for my success, monkey. Be thankful. Witness me. How do we do this? Okay, got it. If he grabs me through the floor, that'll suck. This perspective thing is interesting. Okay, so that is the right way. I'm crouching, am I? Yep. Maybe I'm wrong, but hey, we can smash this. We don't climb up into this nasty room, right? Oh yeah, big Jeb Bush, please clap. Okay, so I'm gonna guess this is all wall. I'm just feeling it out. You can see how the perspective... I don't know. We'll get up there. Maybe... There's no way. We probably don't double back, huh? Pick this up. Throw it. Are we gonna make noise? Is that... I'm not sure if we want him to pull us up there. Because there's like the monkeys for running back or something. That's a good question. I don't remember seeing that eyeball before. I'm feeling like we're tiny. I'm gonna bring this. We're bringing every tool. I got the monkey. Wait, it's probably gonna be something simple again. So, I have this lighter. We just have it. It's B on the controller. So, yeah, to let you know the tools we have, we can run, we can jump. I can't really jump here. I've climbed up this, but I don't think I can uncrouch. So, not really benefiting us. I thought we just had to, like, do some perspective thing over here. But I'm not getting through the wall. So, this is our most recent room. So I would assume we have to progress here. Like, I was thinking we climb up a board or something. Can I pull this? You know, I'm a little flummoxed. Push, pull. Climb. No. Yeah, I'm wondering if there's like something for him to grab or do. Oh, we were making such good pace. Oh, I'm stuck. This is going to be my favorite corner of all time. So, because of the fact that you could accidentally not have the monkey come down here, like, I feel like it might not be important. I might have just brought it along for fun. So let's backtrack since he's backtracking. Let's see where he's going. Can I climb this? Wow, I'm so dumb. It's always the same thing for me. It's like, can I climb a wall? If I knock this over, does that make noise? So the wood creaks. I'll take your suggestion right now, Sane. Yikes. We got grabbed. I probably should have thrown that monkey. Because I think they go off kind of like last detection. Scoop. What's his name? Nas X, Lil Nas. Let me see that. Scoop. You know, I got grabbed. The rapper. Sorry, Lil Nas X and Nas are definitely different people. But I mean, I'm pretty sure I mean Lil Nas. There might be an X on the end. Oh, I'm chill pill. It's because I see game elements, you know what I mean? I see game design. So I'm basically looking at like a puzzle box. So think of it this way, like, you know how we do like word math, and it's like more complicated? We throw this. I threw it too slow. I also threw it in a poor direction, but I needed to hold X to run. Yeah, Lil Nas X, thank you. Okay, so yeah, getting like a word paragraph, and you have to like pull stuff out of it, you know? Like I can just see some of the junk and ignore it and just go for the video game elements. The controller is thumping like a heartbeat every heartbeat in the game. Okay, so I need to let him go the whole way, essentially, because I need the time that he walks all the way over there. I need that time to pick up and throw, because it's not very, like, quick. Does that make sense? Thanks for hanging out, Sam. I'm sorry it's creepy and late. Yeah, so yeah, I gotta let him get all the way to the left. Oh, awesome. Incredible news. Sounds like I'm gonna stream for 4 days. Unless you're streaming, I'll raid you. I'll do it, I swear. Bad throw. That's a problem. Well, I mean, that solves that. That was a problematic throw. Oh, incredible. I gotta beat this. Because, yeah, I think just stepping on the wood creek is a noise enough to get him. Oh, unhappy. Yeah, it's, maybe it's like a red herring and you really are just supposed to climb straight up. Essentially, it doesn't feel very easy to just grab it and turn and throw. Does that make sense? It's not very mechanically fluid. Maybe it has to do with the perspective. So let's see. You're trying to pretend to be an adult. Oh, excellent. Some blue drink. Hey, you know, maybe your tap water is potable. In which case, great. You picked up a nice treat. So I'm gonna let him go. I don't know. I should have. I'm gonna pause and pull. I'll take a sip of water. It's like a 1 or 2, okay? So 1, am I running and am I trying to throw the monkey again to the left to distract him? Or 2, am I just climbing straight up the cabinet? So 1 for monkey, 2 for cabinet. Strategy. Okay, so you're thinking throwing the monkey. Yeah, I think I'm just mechanically failing with the controller to throw the monkey correctly. I'm taking another sip of water. Alright, the ones have it. She's the reason we're playing this game, so. Game. Oh, rude game. Because I don't feel like I can sneak. Like, as soon as I step on that at all, it feels like he knows right away. You know what I mean? And I think the monkey will only work if I'm far enough away. I'm just being impatient. That one's on me. But I'm not sure. I'm a little conflicted right now because I feel like I want to just try climbing up the cabinet with an all the way left throw monkey. Unless there's some way to hide over there that I'm missing. But so like, we haven't gone to the left, but it doesn't really look like there's anything for us. Maybe it's once we're on carpet, we're okay. Because it's like any wood, we're cooked. Well, we can't push this over, can we? Oh, I'm just, again, I'm literally just dumb. Again, the perspective just tricking me. It's hard to know. Again, I'm doing too much. What's gonna kill me in this room? No way, it's nothing. Oh, well, I got grabbed. You live everywhere? Oh, I'm assuming they eat us. I was wondering if I could climb that. Are we just the things that go bump in the night? Come press this button for me, nerd. Do I gotta throw a shoe? Doe, I missed. That sucks. So, sounds like the door makes a noise. I timed it just a little late. So essentially, I told him I was right there. I'm gonna break your door.